Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Sofirn Sofirn flashlight. This is the SC28. It's a tail switch powerful flashlight, and it has 2800 lumens maximum output, and it can be seen from up to 223 meters. It's using a USB Type C charging port, and it's IP68 rated. So let's have a look inside. I really like the unboxing experience. You get the user manual, and in here you can see that the battery is the 21,701 type. Milliamperes, I think is 5,000. I've seen somewhere in here. It doesn't say, but I'll show you. So in terms of what you get is moonlight, low. So the moonlight has 1 lumen, the low one has 100 lumens, medium 350 lumens, high 1200 lumens, and turbo 2800 lumens. The turbo one will get quite hot, actually, and you have you can program it to turn on with your favorite light. So yeah, read the manual, it's quite important. You get a reminder in here to remove that little plastic, so you can have the battery on. You have a really nice USB-C to USB-A charging cable. You also get some spare seals and a strap, and that's the flashlight itself. So let's just move this around and see what we have in here. So if you look, it's very interesting how they've made the top of it. I don't know if you can see. So it's like that. Then you have this mark that will help you in a situation where you need to break through a window. You just take this and hit with it. It's a black matte black. This is a LED which shows you how charged is the battery. If it's green, that will be between 50 and 100. If it's orange, you will be lower than that, obviously, and red will be discharged, so you need to charge it. And look at the straps in here, the nice logo. You also have this pen kind of attachment, so you can put it on your belt or attach it to your backpack. That's an indicator that inside is the battery. That's how it looks like. You can put the strap on this. There's no zoom on this one, so you can't zoom in and out. So what you get, it's what you will have, and you operate like this. So it's a bit tricky to operate. I found it difficult initially. Even now, it's not always perfect because I'm not used to it, not because of any faults with it. I've noticed that if you use the higher mode, it will get quite hot in here. It actually says in there it can get hot. So let me turn it on. So if you fully press and you hear that click, it turns on, and you will see it will flash. So then when you flash, if you're fast enough, you can change the mode to something higher. So now if I turn it off and turn it back on, it will stay, and it will open in that high mode. If you wait until it flashes and then you just change it again, now as you can see, is another kind of mode. That's the lowest they have. That's the 1 lumen. I don't think you can see much with that. Let's just have a look. It's actually pretty bright in pitch dark. So yeah, so you turn it off, you turn it on, and you will see it will flash once, and then you just change your mode. So let's just wait for that flash again. You have to be quick and change it. And then The other way of changing the modes is like you don't fully press it. So you press it and you press it and then you just go to the modes like that. As you can see, it has SOS and flashing as well. That's the flashing, that's the it's not easy to operate this one, I have to tell you. Like even now, as you can see, I'm struggling with it. So I've noticed that if you go, so if you press it half, you can easily go through the modes, but it's very difficult even like this. Like I'm still not fully used to it, so it's gonna be hard if you don't get how to do it. As you can see, it goes through the modes, but it doesn't fully go through it. Okay, let me figure it out a bit. Okay guys, so if you don't press it full, as you can see, it just starts like that. And then if you immediately press, it goes through the modes. So that's the lowest, that's medium, high and higher, then low again. So it's low, medium, I don't even know how they're called anyway, but it's a bit complicated, I have to say. So you have it in echo when it's like this. So that's the echo mode. Yeah, so that's echo. If you press it again, that's the low mode. If you press it again, I think that's the medium or high. If you press it again, that's the highest. If you press it again, it goes back into low. So yeah, there you have it. I will let you guys play with it when you get your own, but it's definitely not easy. What I like to do is I like to press it and wait until it flashes, and then I just change it to a higher mode and then shut it down, turn it back on, and I know it stays in that high mode, and that's good enough for me until I will learn how to use it a bit better. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys.